Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Today's recipe is gonna make you happy. Why? Because it's called Carrot Pineapple Sunshine Muffin. So if that doesn't make you happy, then get out. Just kidding, don't. Keep watching, please. Anyway, today we are making a carrot pineapple sunshine muffin. Perfect for the morning. Bring a little bit of sunshine. As always, all the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is get a large carrot. We're going to grate this. And you're going to need a large orange too, because we're going to take the zest. You want to preheat the oven to 350 and grease up a 12-cup muffin tin. Now we need 1 heaping teaspoon. I think that's heaping. Grind your flaxseed, if it's not already. Grab a large mixing bowl. We're gonna mix together our soy yogurt, our soy milk, and our flaxseed. Throw in your canola oil and your brown sugar. Now, you're gonna need a half of a cup of crushed pineapple. Make sure to get the can, not the fruit. And you're gonna keep a third of the cup of juice. All right, now we're gonna add our crushed pineapple along with a third of the cup reserved juice, our raisins, carrots, and orange zest. We're gonna thoroughly mix this. And now we're gonna put in our flour, baking soda, baking powder, ground ginger, salt, and ground cinnamon. You can either use whole wheat pastry flour or regular all-purpose flour. And we're only gonna mix this in enough that all the dry ingredients get incorporated. All right, fill them up. All right, and then throw them in the oven for 24 to 26 minutes. Fun fact, it takes about 2 to 3 years for 1 pineapple to mature. When they were first discovered in America, they're called pineapples because of their resemblance to pine cones. But they're actually a berry. And only 1 pineapple grows per plant at a time. So be patient. It's starting to smell like muffins. Time for the toothpick test. We're pretty much good, but I'm gonna leave it in there for a few more minutes. Turn off the oven. Now we have to leave them in the tin for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna transfer them to this cooling rack. Let's try it. So first thing you probably noticed, they don't look very tall. They did say in the cookbook they don't rise very much, so they're probably not the most attractive muffins. Or you could cut these down and only make 9 or 6 and make sure to overfill the cups so that they get that nice little muffin top. But you don't need it. I mean, it tastes delicious. It's a nice sweet taste with the raisins. It's a little bit of sunshine. It tastes pretty good. These nice little yummy bits of pineapple in there. Carrots, subtle. I would definitely eat these first thing in the morning. Overall, these are great muffins. If you think you'd make these delicious muffins, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And as always, make sure to subscribe and comment and share and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time.